Solana Sol is a quick, decentralized, and versatile digital money that uses an extraordinary confirmation of history agreement calculation, empowering quick exchange times and low expenses, with an objective of working on decentralized finance and Web3 applications. In the event that you're searching for Solana cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Solana Sol will go from here on out, we will dissect the previous costs of Solana Sol and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Solana Outline. Presented back in 2017, Solana Sol means to give clients market-level security framework with extraordinary convenience among clients. The organization furnishes its clients with an exchange speed that nobody has at any point found in another blockchain project. The worldwide economy is changing extremely quick whenever contrasted with its past renditions. At this stage, Solana comes to use the worldwide economy on an unheard-of level. Solana is for the most part known for its versatility, productivity, and speed. Sol was at first established by Anatoly Yakovenko. His goal was to construct an organization that would separate Solana from any remaining ventures at present running on the lookout. He held hands with different designers to use the course of the task. Just after its ICO, Solana collaborated with another undertaking named Serum to assist with building the DEX application. The application was effective around then. The reason that the application served was that it made a biological system where the costs for the brokers were refreshed each 400 milliseconds. Solana is viewed as one of the top digital currencies on the planet. Due to its exchange speed and unequaled equal security, the coin is accessible on perhaps of the most well-known trade. Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase are a portion of the significant trades that offer Solana. Solana coins can likewise be gotten to by means of atoms in certain nations. With regards to its opponents, Solana is furnishing much better exchange speed with a very lower exchange charge. Solana utilizes the evidence of stake framework, where the clients stake their cash on the organization and procure rewards. During the time spent procuring rewards, clients additionally help the specific blockchain at its ideal. We foresee future Solana cost expectations will gauge by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Solana. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Sol coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Solana market cap, Solana volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Solana Value Forecast Rundown. Solana Cost Gauge recommends a chance of Sol exchanging between $222.50 to $278.25 in 2025. Solana is right now valued at $124.17 on the lookout. Long Haul Investigation proposes that Solana cost might actually flood to $59.29 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $52.763 and $69.357. Solana Sol is determined to arrive at a typical cost of $12494 toward the finish of 2030. There is potential for Solana cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $40,447 toward the finish of 2040. Solana Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $158.48 in 2024. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $182.69 with the typical exchanging cost of $163.45 all through 2024. Solana Value Forecast 2025. Solana cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $222.50 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $278.25 with the typical conjecture cost of $230.67. Sol Value Gauge for 2026. Solana cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $339.19 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $387.25 with the typical conjecture cost of $348.41. Solana Sol Value Forecast 2027. The cost of one Solana is supposed to reach at any rate level of $487.40 in 2027. The SOL cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $593.85 with the typical cost of $501.34 all through 2027. Solana Value Forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SOL, in 2028 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $701.34. The SOL cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $849.67 with the typical exchanging cost of $721.39. Solana Value Forecast 2029. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least worth of $991.89 in 2029. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1,232 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,028 all through 2029. Solana SOL Value Expectation 2030. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2030 the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1,442. The SOL cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $1,765 with the typical worth of $1,494. Solana Value Figure 2031. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least degree of $268 in 2031. The Solana cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2,512 with the typical cost of $2,128 all through 2031. Solana SOL Value Forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SOL, in 2032 the cost of Solana is estimated to be at around a base worth of $2,868. The Solana value worth can arrive at a limit of $3,547 with the typical exchanging worth of $2,974 in USD. Solana Value Forecast 2033. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $4,202. The SOL cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $5,11 with the typical exchanging cost of $4,321. Solana Value Gauge 2040. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are similarly indispensable contemplations. Projects with pragmatic applications and far-reaching reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Solana cost figure for 2040, SOL is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $4,447 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of SOL coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $26,187, while the typical cost of the Solana for 2040 is projected to be $31,286. SOL Value Gauge for 2050. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market. Expansion and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key techniques for overseeing gambles